Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bogley's Keeping It Real. Gonna do things a little different this video, kind of just doing an overlay of how the weekend was. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, I switched out the Rebel Pop R with the Rebel Super Pop R. Little sleeker look to it.
Just wanted to point out, this is a great example of sticking with your game plan when you go out fishing. I didn't get any topwater fish until this weekend, and didn't get anything the first hour, and I almost gave up on it. As you can see here, after an hour, started getting into them, smallmouth, largemouth, so I stuck with it.
Alright guys, there we go. Oh yeah!
So I really started getting into them with the Rebel Super Pop R. Switched over to the Whopper Plopper 75. Started getting them on that. More in the fast water. The calmer water, the Pop R seemed to produce a lot better.
Another smallie. Nice. Got him right off of that tree there. There we go. Finally got one to hit on camera. Alright guys, another largemouth. There, boys. That's a nicer fish here. Nice smallie, but I got him, well, no, he's hooked in the mouth, but kind of on the side. Came in a little funny here. Made him feel a whole lot bigger. Okay. Alright guys, not filming today, but just hooked into something that feels a lot nicer on the battalion. Oh yeah. Nice largie. Oh yeah, look at that fatty. Oh, that's a nice bass. Nice Delaware largemouth, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. There you go, John. There's a PA. Oh yeah. Oh dude, that's almost 20. If I could probably straighten it out. Yep, that's 20, dude. Heck yeah.
All right, here we go, guys. Beautiful. PA Delaware River bass. Largemouth. A nice short fat football smallie out here with my buddy Jeremy this morning. Now this smallmouth has a little eel down there. He's halfway down, the eel's still moving. That's a nice football smallie there. Besides catching a lot of bass throughout the weekend, the battalion really was destroying the smallies.
Well, got him hooked good. Alright guys, I think I got a better hook. Yeah, you never get sick of those jumps, man. No, they're on the battalion. Alright guys, I'm going to concentrate on trying to catch a fish on this rat. I've had it in the rotation multiple times. Thing looks great in the water. It's a wake bait more than a top water. I know Mike at Big Bait Posse, those guys are always getting them on this. Does that not look real or what? This one was done by Sammy's Baits. Guys, I got my first hookup on the rat, baby, yeah! First rat fish. Nice. Look at that. Alright, it's on the Sammy's Bait rat. Oh yeah, guys. Alright. Whoo, yeah. Jump it, baby, jump it. Ho, ho, ho. This one's nicer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Well, I guess a quick, easy release. This joker hit me right here. I was just watching the rat do it. Nice. Nice.
Now let me tell you guys something too as well.
Out fishing myself.
If you want to support our channels, guys, check
Got
out
Ted
the,
from Off the Hooks.
Off the Hook gear. Go to my store.
Off the Hook Outdoors.
And also John
Captain
and
Lindia from
have a
Smallwater
store.
Charters.
So if you'd like to support
Going
the
head
channels,
to
get
head
out there,
on a
buy our
live.
gear, support us. It helps our channels, and it goes right back into our channel.
All right, guys, just finishing off here, using a battalion here once again, hooked into this real nice river chub here. So it catches pretty much anything. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and take care. All right, guys, I was talking to my buddy Kyle Hockman, who was out the weekend. Got this real nice smallmouth. He was landing probably about 30 a day as well, he said. Here was an 18-inch smallie that I caught. Didn't get it on film or a short or anything, but all right, guys, just wanted to change it up a little bit here. Didn't want to get too repetitive, just showing a bunch of bass, so appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.